did bite him.
So then now there's another point that Chad came to social media to say that Drezel did abuse him and she bite him up on all of these things.
The chain thief, the same night she got arrested.
Why did she get arrested?
Assault.
She assaulted you?
Yeah.
Why did she assault you, Chad? What did you do?
She wanted my phone to delete the stuff out my phone.
Boy never somebody. So this is the boy never did I tell blood. So that boy never did tell the lie about the bite.
He made a report that I assaulted him or abused him or whatever of the sort. Right? He said that I bit him and I pulled a knife on him. Okay? I did bite him. That's the truth. But why did I bite you? You know, we were face to face. He was still arguing with me until him chopped me. So I had to chuck him back. Him chopped me. Chuck him back and we started to fight. We started to get angry to the point where he said he has videos and photos of me that he's going to release on the internet. So I started to say, no, give me a phone, delete them, you know, delete the videos, delete the stuff. He's saying like, no, I'm not deleting them, da 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 da. And I'm like, where you get these videos from, whatever. He said he took them from my phone and my tablet. And you know, we're there arguing over the videos and the things that he should have deleted, and it got physical. He grabbed me around my neck and I bit him.